Hello everyone, welcome to another video on how to delete your Instagram account permanently. I'm Yakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So if you're an iPhone user, deleting your Instagram account permanently would be a piece of cake. You'll be able to find a direct button that is delete your account button. But if you're an Android user, make sure to watch the video without skipping till the very end. So alright, let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Once the app opens up, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And now from here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner. And from the given options, select settings. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down and select the help option. And from the help page, select help center. Now from here, tap on the three horizontal lines once again. And from the given options, select manage your account. Next, tap on delete your account. Okay, so now here's the big deal. You must see the delete your Instagram account option right here. But no, don't get fooled by it. Because even if we were to click this option right here, we won't be able to delete our account. It's no help at all. So instead of that, what we need to do is click on temporarily deactivate your Instagram account just above it. Right here, and now scroll down, and also make sure to pay close attention to these little details, the subtle highlighted blue text in between the paragraph. So just above the steps to temporarily deactivate your account, you'll be able to find this delete your Instagram account text right here. Like I said, the subtle blue highlighted text in between the paragraphs. So right here, tap on it. Next, you'll come up to this page. Now click on Android help button. And from the given options, select mobile browser help. From here, again, scroll down and just above to permanently delete your account from account center, you'll be able to find this delete your account page text once again right here. Tap on it, and finally you'll be brought up to this page. Now, before the deletion, Instagram would definitely ask you a reason why you want to delete the account. So tap on this button right here and select your reason. Once you're done, enter your password once again, and finally click on delete button right here. With this, your Instagram account would be permanently deleted. That was quite a lot. Alright, so that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.